HK says, what happens to Reliance industry if electric car replace petrol diesel cars, bikes in 2030? I think if you have noticed, Reliance Industries as a company, the way ITC is moving away from cigarettes or reducing its dependency on cigarettes business and building their FMCG business, Reliance is also building its dependence on telecom, on retail, and various other businesses. So I think they are also focusing on those newer businesses. So I think they're prepared. You never know, right? It may so happen that retail Reliance may soon own the largest electric vehicles recharge stations in the country. Reliance may even come up with various other innovations. In fact, they had other plans as well. So I think as a company, Reliance Industries, you're seeing that their dependence on petrol, diesel, petroleum is going down every year. So I think nothing to worry as investors. Of course, today what happens is, the stock growth may reduce. I'll tell you why it may reduce, because what happens now, they are seeing that booming profits and increased revenue in telecom and retail, but then proportionately petroleum may go down over the years, which in turn may not show a bigger growth. That's why now they are trying to list their other ventures as well in the market, so that they may probably independently trade these stocks. Let's see what happens.